increase their portfolio. So they would give you money in order to have a stake and a equity or a controlling position in your firm. They would give you we give you money to cultivate your idea, to bring it forward, to make it in an organization. Now, if the organization makes a huge profit, then he would ask you for his seat in the board of directors, board of members, and decision-making processes. So this is the terms of venture capital. An angel investor. Angel investor is the one who is a single person, has his own business, and comes across to you that you have an innovative idea, I will provide you the funding. You just do the business on the basis of profit margin that he demands you from as an interest to you. He would again ask, if you again ask him that I need some more money to grow my venture and to make it to next level and to have it very big, he will again invest in you in the terms that he will not ask you about any profit or nor any seat in the board of directors or nor any decision making process he would be involved. He will rely it on you that you can do anything, I want my money on the basis of interest. Other funding process is not involved here are bootstrapping and crowdfunding. People ask for funding from other outside sources such as social media and local mass public like you all. You donate them somewhat money or donate the money in order for some gift or some coupons or some future aspects such as stocks and all. Now, there are types of entrepreneurs. You know there are many other companies in India that are entrepreneurs. They are organizations. They have grown big. So, social entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneurship is a venture that focuses on social well-being, society, and earns his profit from that society. If I give you an example of social entrepreneurship, there was a company started by women residing in Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. They started the Ladakh trip organization that would help people to go and see and explore Ladakh when they go on holidays. Another thing is Rijat Papad, Mahila Gru Udyog. They are the ladies, the women work and sell papad in order to get profit, and it also generates jobs for women in the village who are free, who are having free time at house or home and want to do something in order to earn money. So this is called the social entrepreneurship. You do something and it gives return to society as your profit also becomes higher. Political entrepreneurship. Organization is established in such a way seeking help from politics or seeking help from other sources by you say that let us pass a tender which is very of high amount and they need help. They came from political background, everything, and they start up an entrepreneurship now. So it is called a political venture, it is called a political entrepreneurship. Knowledge entrepreneurship. Some of them, there are industries who have those who are knowledge business, such as there is a firm, SNL Informatics. This firm collects data of your organization. Suppose today is Marwadi Education is running. The firm could collect information from all about the Marwadi Education, financial information, number of employees, number of students, and everything about Marwadi Education. And they would make a draft, make a data book. Now they sell this data book to other companies when they ask for them. This is called knowledge book.